What's the meaning of bus? Bus. Bus.
Bus. Bus. The term bus can have various meanings depending on the context. In the context of computer hardware, a bus refers to a communication pathway used by different components within a computer system to exchange information with one another. This allows for efficient data transfer between various components such as the CPU, memory, and input-output devices. In the context of transportation, a bus typically refers to a large motor vehicle used for public transportation, often along established routes. Buses provide a cost-effective and environmentally friendly means of moving large numbers of people around cities and towns. Overall, the term bus refers to a variety of communication and transportation systems that enable efficient and effective movement of people and data.